put some lemon pepper seasoning on here. Do y'all want garlic pepper? Oh. It just need to be done today. Why can't be tomorrow? Okay, so I'm putting some lemon pepper seasoning on these chicken tenders. I'm not gonna put a small amount of flour on these chicken tenders. And it's gonna be all-purpose flour, y'all. And a dab of cornstarch because they want some batter on their chicken tenders. But y'all know about me being a diabetic, I can't do that all the time. So this just gonna be for them. And I'm gonna put some seasoning salt, just a little bit, not a lot, y'all, on your chicken tenders. I love seasoning salt. Okay. And I'm gonna put some, no, I ain't gonna add the garlic pepper. That's enough, okay. And then flip this on, put some seasoning salt on the other side. I had to be careful because I don't want to cross-contaminate, anything. Alrighty, so that's the seasoning that I'm gonna use. Okay, so now I'm going to add some flour. We're just gonna lightly flour these tenders today. Lightly flour, nothing major. So that's about a half a cup of flour. Add a small amount of cornstarch to my little bit of flour. Okay, so now I'm going to just mix my chicken in with the flour and the cornstarch. Okay. I could have put it in a Ziploc bag and shake it, but I decided not to. Everything's gonna be just fine. And while you're battering your chicken, have your oil heating up, okay? Notice I didn't add any extra seasoning because I have plenty on my plate. We don't want to over season our chicken tenders. And I'm using regular vegetable oil, okay? You can use canola oil or vegetable oil. You don't want to use no oil that can't reach a high smoke point and burn, okay? For your chicken tenders. Okay, so now we're finna cook this macaroni and cheese to go along with our chicken tenders. I always put salt in my water for my noodles so we can have some flavor up in them noodles. You gotta add just some butter or some olive oil up in that water for your macaroni noodles too. Okay, this stovetop macaroni and cheese. Okay, y'all, now I'm ready to see the oil ready for these tenders. Alrighty, sizzle, sizzle. No, these ain't deep fried, these are pan fried. In my little skillets. Now, how I like to fry mine is I let it cook for 1 minute on one side. Then I take it and flip it over, let that cook for 1 minute on that side. Because we don't want these chicken tenders to burn. It don't take long for chicken tenders to cook, but we're going to flip them every 3 minutes till they done. Nice, crispy, and golden brown. Like so, like that. Okay. Okay, so after 1 minute, when you cook them in the skillet like so, you go ahead and flip it over. And you can see when you add cornstarch to your all-purpose flour, your chicken tenders can get crispy, okay? And we're gonna constantly flip them because we don't want our chicken tenders to not be crispy, okay? see it. So how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing excellent. I'm having a beautiful day. And I want to tell y'all something. My cousin at Pink Confinement posted a video Sunday. I want y'all to go by her channel and check it out. Pink Confinement. Her name is Miss Pink. And she did an interview with a lady that was deaf and mute. Okay? The lady got attacked. She got robbed the same day that she was supposed to do her interview. And she's an older person. Why did I feel like somebody who attacked her and robbed her at the ATM machine knew exactly who she was, and I think that they knew that she was deaf and mute. And I just wanted to bring it up to bring awareness to that. People be watching you. They watch what you do, they watch where you go, and if they know your weaknesses and they are a criminal, that they can play on those weaknesses. And especially if you have family members that have disabilities, keep an eye on them, even if it's their patient sitter. Sometimes we think we can trust people, but you can't trust everybody, okay? You don't know what them people might do to your family members that are deaf, mute, handicapped. And it's okay. We know everybody want to be independent, and ain't nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, when they go on somewhere like to the ATM machine and stuff, try to keep an eye on them. I don't know why this thing came to boil yet. Keep an eye on them, because you don't want nobody to mistreat your family members, okay? I'll wait for that to come to a boil before I put my noodles in there. You gotta think about it. First of all, she was a woman. She was old. She was vulnerable. So, you know, you got family members. You know, even just look out for them. That's all I'm trying to tell you. Because that really touched me. You know, I really... The lady lives in Florida. She doesn't live here in Georgia where I live in. So, you know, it's not like I can easily get to her and help her out. But she does live in Florida. But I'm going to continue to cook these chicken tenders. I'm going to allow these noodles to come to a boil. And I'm going to take my other skillet out and saute some spinach right quick. Y'all see how pretty that chicken tender is? You keep constantly turning it, and you don't have your eye too high. My mama always taught me, turn that eye down low, turn that eye down low. Because you don't want to burn your flour on the outside before the inside cooks, okay? So you keep it on a medium heat. And anytime you pan fry your chicken in a skillet, you turn your chicken every 3 minutes. Somebody tell me, oh, you ain't got to do that, you ain't got to do that. I'm just letting you know from experience that that's what I like to do. Okay, so after my water starts boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add my shells in. I'm not cooking this whole bag. Put about half of it. That's more than enough macaroni noodles for my family, okay? So, I'm going to let these noodles cook for 12 minutes. Okay, let me teach y'all something. You hear how that sound? When you listen to the chicken and it changes sound, that means that side is done. We're going to let this side go for 1 more minute, and then we're taking this out, okay? And then I'm going to put my next batch of chicken tenders in. I'm going to cook my spinach last, because y'all know it don't take long for spinach to cook. Okay, so now I'm going to put my other tenders in here, y'all. How many of y'all got birthdays today? If anybody got a birthday today, happy birthday. And at this moment, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And for my old and new subscribers and potential subscribers, everybody hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I hear Cooking with TK uploads a new video. Please share this video out with your friends and your family. I want my video to hit the algorithm so I can get me some more friends to talk to here on YouTube. You guys see how nice and beautiful those chicken tenders turned out. Simple, quick, easy. Nice chicken tenders. Okay, so here I have 3 tablespoons of butter, and I have 3 tablespoons of flour. Equal parts butter, equal parts flour to make a roux for your macaroni and cheese. Okay? Now I am going to mix my butter in. Okay, so now we're just going to add some milk. So I'm going to add some chicken broth, okay? Because we want some flavor on flavor on flavor. Okay. You need about 2 cups of liquid. So I got 1 cup, half and half, 1 cup chicken broth. And I am going to allow this to come to a boil. I'm going to add some black pepper. About 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And that's my timer to stop. Okay, we're going to add some salt. I'm adding seasoning salt because it got flavor. A little paprika. Just for some color, y'all. Just a little, because this is a quick weeknight meal. The cheese that I'm using is Velveeta. Of course, I cut it up into cubes. Okay. Don't judge, okay? No judgment. I'm also gonna add in some of this grated Parmesan, because that's what I got. And that's what I'm going to use on my macaroni and cheese. Okay, so since this is stovetop macaroni and cheese, next step is just to add your noodles. Oops. Bloop. They just plopped on in there, y'all. And we're gonna just add it in there. Let it cook for a few minutes, about 3-4 minutes. And then your mac and cheese will be done, okay? And here is our dinner for tonight. We got us some chicken tenders, some stovetop macaroni and cheese, and some lima beans. Yep, and them lima beans bussin' too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace. And y'all all have a beautiful day.